Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to block players in Among Us. If you want to block someone on Among Us for misconduct, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch Open Among Us application on your device. From the home page, go to the Friends tab at the top right and tap on it. Your friend list will then appear on the screen. To block the contact, tap on the little red block kinda icon right next to the username of the person. In the pop-up, tap on Confirm. Right after you confirm, person will then be blocked and they will be prevented from contacting you or joining with you on a game. So that is how you can easily block someone from your friend list on Among Us. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.